it's Chef Maia, the famous chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maia, everything's good. 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 Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we will be making jollof rice. I just decided that I'm not gonna wear my glasses for any more videos because I really don't need glasses for cooking. Like, my eyes are pretty equal and I don't need them for cooking. It's mostly like using devices and stuff, and all that stuff. Yeah. So I won't get blind anymore. Before, if I didn't wear glasses, I would get blind. So I've been wearing glasses for 4 years. Yeah, I got them in first grade. And then, I don't need them for cooking. So I'm just not gonna, wear glasses anymore. Okay, so we're gonna make this type of rice called jollof rice. It's not really good. So jollof rice is a Ghanaian food. We went to Ghana and we got some jollof rice and it was delicious. It's not gonna taste exactly like jollof rice because jollof rice tastes way better than what we're cooking. It's like more spicier and just better in general. But the rice that we're gonna make is pretty good still. So, oh, wait, where's my apron? I'll get it. Boop, boop. Whoa. Here's my apron. Okay. Well, let's get started. So, what we will be needing is jasmine rice. Let me get that real quick. How about I just get everything that we need real quick? And yeah, hey guys, now that I got everything that I need, I'll just go ahead with the ingredients. So, you'll need some jasmine rice, 1 cup of it. Jollof rice seasoning. So, let's see what's in here. Salt, dehydrated garlic, and I don't think you want to make this by yourself. I would rather just get jollof rice seasoning. Yeah, it's literally called jollof rice seasoning. I got it from this brand named Badia. I'm sorry if I mispronounced it, but yeah, it's just jollof rice seasoning, and this is what it looks like. Next, what we'll need is some salt, the seasoning kind, not the bottle kind, and you'll need access to a stove and a small pot. So let's get started in cooking. So, we will be needing, let's just get our cups and stuff, but right now, let's just set up our pots and stuff. And okay guys, so, you'll really just need a cup. You don't need anything else. So, first what we want to do is go ahead, fill this up like a half cup. So, I guess you can have a half cup, or you could just estimate or something. I'm just going to do a half cup of water. So, let's do that real quick. One cup's fine too, so we'll be doing 1 cup. Next, what we want to do is go ahead. We're not gonna boil it yet. We're just gonna put some salt in because we want the rice to be, taste good, and you just want salt in the water. Then, I guess you can mix it in a little bit so everything could be, the water and the salt can be mixed in and all. But I guess you really don't need to do that, so. Next what we'll be doing is putting 1 cup of rice, so I just need to snip a little corner and pour some in, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got a snip, and now we're gonna pour some in. all the whites is a little hard. That's good. And you want to put this in a plastic bag, a big one. But right now, just dump this in. You don't need to boil it right now. You'll boil it with the rice in. Just in. I'm just going to do this. I know it's a little weird, but I'm just going to do it. Hey, go put this in a plastic bag, and I'll just wait. Right here, you'll see a picture of what it should look like right now. Yep, right here, right there. Okay, let me just put this in a plastic bag, and we'll get to it. Okay, guys, once you got your plastic bag away, so I just wanted to put it in a plastic bag because I've been dropping a lot of stuff lately. And a lot of it has been liquids. I'll show you what I've dropped right now, but I'm not gonna drop the liquids. Like I'm gonna try not to drop the liquids again. Yeah. So that's why I just wanted to put it in a plastic bag. So as you can see, yeah, in a second you'll see what I mean by dropping a lot of stuff. Don't worry, it still works. It has happened before, just saying. And the red controller was not working, but I figured I just fixed it somehow. And it actually happened yesterday, so yeah. Hey guys, I think you have seen enough of me dropping stuff. Anyways, let's get back to the thing. So, what we want to do now is our Jollof rice seasoning. We want to go ahead and sprinkle like a lot in. So, just like literally a lot. Like a tablespoon. And, oh. My nose. Okay, try not to breathe it in, because, don't worry, I didn't sneeze over the food, but, yeah, try not to breathe it in, because it's a little too strong, and your nose will, like, hurt, and your eyes will start watering. Okay, anyways, what to do is put salt in there, a little bit more in here, more. And after that is done, let me just get a little spoon. Or a fork. Mix it in a little bit. Or mix it in a lot, and then it should start looking like this. Now, we're not going to eat this raw. We have to cook it. I'll just show you what it should look like right now. And it's right here, as you can see, right here. Yep. Okay. And so, yeah. Alright, let's go on to the next step. Okay, what we want to do now is put this on high. Actually, let's put it at medium. If you have a small pot, then put it at medium. If you have a big pot, put it at high. Because if you didn't know this, it's kind of obvious, but I used to think this. If you put it on low, medium, or high, I used to think low will make the fire cooler, medium will make it like medium cool, and high will make it very hot. But it's actually the fire gets bigger at high. Medium, it gets a little smaller, and then at low, it gets as small as it can. So, yeah. So, what we want to do now, go ahead, get a, sorry, if you hear my mom talking, that's fine. She's talking very loud. Wait 1 second. I'm going to ask her to be a little quieter. Okay, anyways, we want to go ahead and get a, what is this a lid. I forgot what it was called. This is a little too big, so we might have to change it. Just wait and wait 1 second. Okay, I found the perfect lid for it. Just wait till bubbles come up and the rice has absorbed all the water, the Jollof water, with all the seasoning, and we'll just be waiting. If it starts to overflow, then just turn it lower, and I'll see you guys after. Alright, hey guys, I am back. Wait, you really shouldn't be using a plastic thing. I just wanted to, real quick. So it should look like this. It's really good, so we're gonna go test it out. Before we test it out, I just wanted to say something. I have made a website, Chef Maia Everything's Good website. You can, I'll just show you the directions right here. So, first what you want to do, go on my YouTube channel, go to the About page, then scroll down all the way. You'll see links, and then it will say My Website, ! Click that, then it'll lead you to a website that has a burger, and it says like Chef Maia Everything's Good and has a description below and stuff. Then you can download my Chef Maia Everything's Good intro. Just saying, we have made a song and we are going to record it later today. And and then we're gonna make it into a real song. So I'll put that on the website right after it's done. It probably won't be done today, probably like maybe tomorrow or so, or in 2 days. And you can watch YouTube videos there, my YouTube videos, and you can contact me different recipes that you have, or just contact me in general. And you can also just download the song and listen to it on repeat over and over and over again. So I just wanted to say that, and you just follow those directions right there, and so let's go. Oh, and make sure you buy the merch. In the s'mores video, I showed how to do it, and also my birthday is in 7 days. I can't wait. It's in 1 week, and with my calculations, since we have 80 subscribers, which is awesome, we need 20 more to get to 100. So, like an hour ago, we had 79 subscribers, and so my calculations were, if we get 3 subscribers each day, we'll get to, wait 1 second, we'll get to 100 subscribers. But since we have 80, then like most of the days we'll get to 3 subscribers, and then one day we'll get like 2 subscribers. But if you get even more than 100, that's pretty awesome. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and test out our food. We'll just get a plate and a fork, and I'll be ready. Hey guys, we are back. We have the rice, our plate, and our fork. So let's go ahead and scoop out some. Might want to use a spoon. I'm just using a plastic fork. Like I said, you shouldn't, but I am. I guess you can, because you're going to be eating with this fork, but okay, we're just going to put this much. And let me put a little bit more. And this looks delicious, and it is. So I haven't tried it with butter, but it just tastes good in general with no butter or stuff. So let's go ahead and taste. Just saying, this is what yours should look like. That's what mine looks like. So let's go ahead and taste, shall we? Okay. Let me get a chair. Okay. Sorry. Okay, wait. Sorry. let's try it. Ooh, so good. Spicy. One thing I would change about mine is to cook it a little longer. No, put more water in it so it could have gotten more chewier. Mine is like close to al dente, but mostly soft. But I like rice really soft. Just makes it taste better. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Just saying, the next episode will be, I think the next episode will be how to make, cotton candy ice cream. And, my birthday cake. I can't wait. I'm probably gonna make both of those on August 17th, right before my birthday. And yeah. So, thank you guys so much. Please subscribe and like. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you also make it. And yeah, it is really good. So, it doesn't really taste like the Jollof rice I remember. Well, it tastes a lot like it, but there's just one thing that I need, but I don't know what it is. But yeah. Why am I eating with, I don't know. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Everything's good.